Hi everyone, it's me, Gloria from Tinker Wonderland. I have a new package that came from my mail today, guys. So I just want to share to you this package opening for today. It's right here. It is from our good friend Sam. So Sam, thank you for sending us this package. So I'm going to, without further ado, let me start opening this, guys. Bear with me because I am using one hand for this. And of course, I have Drake here that keeps on walking back and forth because he wanna see what I'm doing again. So here it's what you call that? It is wrapped in a gift wrap here. Oops, good thing I didn't cut anything. I'm so excited for this. What is this? Thank you again for sending this package to us. Oh, I got a card. Super cute. Wish with warm thoughts of you. Awesome. Thank you, Sam. You're so thoughtful. So I'm not gonna open the inside, guys. For sure this is a little I just want to give her a little privacy, so she is a friend and a good family to us. Thank you, Sam, for giving that card. I will read it later. I will give it a privacy. Not gonna read it in front of the cam. So let me open this one. Super cute. You wrap it so nice. I like that green gift wrap. Okay. Look at that. Oh, so nice. Sparky and Glow from Sam. Thank you, Sam. I like it. I like how you pack it. Oh my god. So, basically, this is unboxing too. A package opening and a package unboxing. What? And here is the box. It says here, si Koai. Thank you, nature. Ah, you make me so excited. Okay, let me open this box. Oh my god. Another box inside the box. Oh my god, that is cute. I'm already happy with the box. Next, opening the next box. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Thank you, Sam. Oh, what's in it? There's a lot of surprise in this one. What? What? Come on, baby. Open. Bear with me, guys. I'm using one hand in opening this. Oh my goodness. But I want to share it to you, even it's a little hard for me to use one hand. Is this also... Okay, there you go. That's why you're doing it wrong. So, what? Oh my goodness, it's true that a small package comes in a very big surprise. Okay. Okay. It came in two bag right here. And there's oh, nice. So this is a gemstone. Gemstone healing properties. So this is a description of each stone. Awesome! Thank you, Sam. I like it. Customer care. And look at the box, guys, before I show you the actual item. Look at the box. Oh my god. It has a velvet inside. And it's really molded very nice. And what's inside this bag is, oh my god, I like it. So this is, oh goodness, look at the engraved thing in there. Oh, is this a dragon? It seems like a dragon or a phoenix. Let me see the other one. Oh my god, Sam, thank you so much. I love it. And oh my goodness. Oh my god. That is cute. So this is a dragon and a phoenix. And it's a necklace. And it is a heart shape. So half of it is a phoenix and the half is a dragon, which is one for me and one for hubby. Oh my god, that is awesome. Super cute. I I don't know what kind of stone is this yet. I have to verify to my hubby, but oh my god, I like it, Sam. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Well, you can tell it on my voice. Actually, I just got up from bed and because a postman rang our bell, a doorbell, so that's why we woke up. But it's worth it. It's oh my god, thank you, Sam. I love that. So who's gonna be the phoenix and a dragon? Of course, it's obvious. So you know who is a phoenix and a dragon. Oh my goodness, thank you, Sam. I love that. So I verified to my hubby that this is a tiger's eye stone. Cute, super cute. I love it. Thank you, Sam. Of course, I have Drake here checking out if there's something for him. He loves the box again. So, yeah, thank you so much, Sam. I really, really love it. Thank you for sending this to us. You're so nice. It's so nice. I love it. I don't know what to say anymore. I'm blown out with this. Thank you. So that is our package. That is my package opening for today, guys, with Drake right here. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Give Drake a thumbs up. Share, comment, and subscribe on this channel. Tinker Wonderland. You wanna get it? Oh no, bud. Thank you again for supporting my channel, guys. And I will talk to you on my next video. Thank you so much, Sam. Love you. We love you. You know that. I already showed this to hubby and he said, thank you. Thank you so much, Sam. We are going to wear this. I am going to wear this right now. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you again for watching, guys. Until the next video. Bye for now. God bless everyone. Okay, I just wanna add this. Thank you. Also, thank you, Rebecca. Thank you, Becca, for this one. I didn't realize that it also came from you because I just saw Sam's name on the envelope and I just read the card. I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry for that. I just read the card and I just realized like I said, I didn't read the card in front of the cam, so I just read it after I filmed this, and I found out that this is also from you, Becca. So, Becca and Sam, thank you so much. Thank you so much for this gift. We really love it. We're gonna wear this, guys. I am gonna wear this for sure. So, yeah, Sam and Becca, thank you again for this gift. It's so nice. Love you guys. We miss you too. Well, I don't see you in person yet, but I know hubby miss you both a lot. He's been asking me, he's been wanting to go back there and spend some time with you guys, but we're so tight for now. You know that. So, yeah. But again, thank you again, Sam and Becca. Thank you for this gift. We love it. Hobby like it very much. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Love you guys. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye for now.